Hey, what's up, you guys? Got another unboxing video right here today. I've got the AFloia air purifier. I guess that's how you say it. FLOIA, FLOIA. It's an air quality. It has an air quality sensor, 4-stage filter, a timer, and a child lock. This is what you need for all those Canadian smoke that's coming down throughout, especially the Northeast. So let's get this baby open and see what we got inside of it. As you know, like always, it will be a link somewhere in the video. Got the instruction manual here. Look, attention. So make sure you read that. Stop. Boom, boom, boom. So make sure you read that and the instructions. You know how we do it. Shows you how to work everything. Boom. Throw that to the side. Pop this over. It's pretty much going to be all one piece right here. So let's bring this baby up. It's a nice size too. Nice size. What else is in here? So that's all that's in there. Let's take this baby down. What's that? Is that plastic? Let me see what's on here. So let's see. So it's nice. It's taped up. So it's nicely taped up. Lifetime warranty on it. You can return it for any reason for the first 7 days. Here's the power cord here. Wait a minute. What is something is under here, you guys? Oh, there we go. All right, so the main power cord is taped here. I knew something didn't felt even. So we got that. We're gonna take this tape off of it. Yeah, all one little piece here. And if you're asking for the technicalities of it, this board is pumping 32 watts of power. I like the way it looks. It looks like a big old PlayStation or something. Let me get this tape off of it real quick, and we'll crack this baby open. All right, so now, without even looking at, here you go, without even looking at the instruction, the back, you just pop this off. That's the back of it, and here's your filter right here. So this is where your filter goes. Look how thick this filter is, you guys. Let's open this baby up. This is brand spanking new. So you got the 4 types of filters. I mean, as I said, the 3 stages are, you got the washable pre-filter, the high efficiency filter, and the active carbon filter. So those are the 3 types that you have right there. You got all those different stages. And you put that back in. So now we're gonna plug this baby up. Now look, I'm doing this without the instructions. So there, the power goes back there. And so now I'm gonna do this. Plug that in right there. So you come down here. So it's touchscreen too. So check this out. So you got that. Oh yeah, it's coming on already. Oh yeah, and the best thing I like, the reason why I got this thing, has different lights here. You got different colored lights there that let you know what's going on. Green, that means it's good, and orange is moderate, and red is bad. So you got blue, green, orange, and red. You never want to see it red. So right now, mine's just showing blue, so it's saying that the air quality is very good. You got 4 fan modes. You got low, and then you got medium, then you got high, and then you got low, medium, high, and then turbo mode. You got nighttime on it right there. I like that. Also, it is an auto mode, so you have it auto come on, auto come off with the little A, the auto. That's nice feature right there. The UV, you can put the UV on that kills bacteria. So with UV on, it kills any active bacteria coming through. Has a child lock on it. I like this thing, you guys. I'm gonna dive into it a little bit more and let you guys know after I use it for a while exactly what the my final results are. And then yeah, I don't think it has a really app for it yet. But I'm gonna let you know what my final my final opinion of it after I use it for a while. But make sure you guys check it out. Floia. Link is in the description.